Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English grammar classes. So children, today we are going to start the third chapter from your English grammar textbook. And what is the name of the chapter? The chapter is adjectives. I know you all know what is an adjective, but still I would explain you what is an adjective. So what is an adjective? I'll explain it with an example. If I say, I have a doll. Here in this sentence, what is noun? I have a doll. Doll is a noun. Okay, children? Doll is the name of a thing. So, it's a noun. Now, if I write, I have a red doll. Now, here what I am giving the description, I am written here, I have a red doll. So, this word red is an adjective. Why? Because it tells you about the noun. What kind of doll you are having? What kind of doll I have? I have a red doll. It's describing about this doll. So, we can say describing words are called adjectives, or the other definition is a word that tells you more about the noun, a word that tells you more about the noun, because we are describing this noun. What type of doll I am having? I have a red doll. So, the adjective is red. Now, if I say Gandhidham is a large city. So, if I only say Gandhidham is a city, so I am talking here about what? Gandhidham, isn't it? But if I tell you more, if I have to tell more about, if I have to describe about this Gandhidham, which word I have used over here? Large. So, large is the adjective. Understood, children? So, the word which tells you more about the noun, that qualifies the noun, is said to be adjective. I have, or we can say, there are 60 students in my class. Now, if I only say here in this sentence, which is the noun in this sentence? Yes, students. Students, I explained you, student comes under which category? It's what kind of noun? Common noun. Okay, children? In the first chapter, what I made you explain. So, students, common noun. Here I am talking about how many students are there? 60. So, this 60 is the adjective. So, in short, we can say describing words are called adjectives. So, is that clear? What do you mean by adjectives? So, a word that tells you or qualifies the noun is said to be adjective. So, children, we start with a next topic, that is attributive and predicative adjective. Before I explain you this, just look at the board, children. Rahul hit the ball. This sentence, every sentence has two parts. Every sentence has two parts. Now here, Rahul hit the ball. So we are talking about whom, children, in this sentence? We are talking about Rahul. So with this, Rahul becomes the subject. About whom are we talking? About Rahul. So Rahul is the subject of the sentence. Now what Rahul did? So the action that is being taken, or the doer, is the predicate part. So what Rahul did? He hit the ball. So this is predicate. So I know you all must have learnt in your smaller classes. Each sentence is divided into two parts. We have subject. Subject means about whom are we talking, or the doer of the action is the subject. And what the doer is doing, what the subject is doing, he hit the ball, the action that is done by the subject or the receiver. So subject and predicate. Before we learn attributive and predicative adjective, you should know what is subject and what is predicate. I'll give you one more example. Cows eat grass. Here we are talking about whom? We are talking about the subject, cows. So cow is the subject. And always remember children, the verb will always come in the predicate part. Subject में कभी verb नहीं आता. The verb always come in predicate. So here the subject is cows, and which is the verb here? Eat is the verb. Now what the cows are doing? Cows eat grass. So this is the predicate. Understood children? What is subject and what is predicate? Okay. Now I'll explain you attributive and predicative adjectives. So children, now look at the examples that I've written on the board. The wise man waited silently. So here, before you underline, before you pick out the adjective, first tell me which is the noun. Where is noun? Yes. The word man is a noun. Now we are describing. What do you mean by adjective? I explained you before. What is adjective? That tells you more about the noun or describe about a noun. So here, what type of man? What kind of man? The wise man. So this adjective, this is adjective. Now children, you have attributive and predicative adjective. Now before you classify into attributive, before you classify it, whether it's attributive or predicative, you have to understand which is subject and which is predicate. Here, the wise man waited silently. So just divide this into two parts. This is the subject, okay? The wise man. This comes under subject. Waited quietly or silently. So waited silently is predicate. Now you have to see the adjective that is placed is in the subject part or in the predicate part. It is before the noun, isn't it? It is before the noun. So it is in the subject part. If the adjective is in the subject part of the sentence, or you can say if the adjective is placed before a noun. If the adjective is placed before a noun, it is said to be attributive adjective. Understood children? What do you mean by attributive adjective? A word, the adjective that is placed or that comes before the noun. Or you can also say if the adjective that is in the subject part of the sentence is said to be attributive adjective. Now you can see one more example I'll give you. The young girl went for the party. The young girl went for the party. So here again, if I have to divide into two parts, the young girl is the subject. Went for the party is predicate. Now, what kind of girl? What kind describing word is used for the girl? The girl is young. So the word young is the adjective. So if the word adjective is placed before the noun and comes in the subject part, we say it is attributive adjective. I hope this is clear to all my children. Okay. Now comes the predicative adjective. As I told you, first you have to see what is subject and what is predicate. Here we are talking, the play was beautiful. The play is the subject. Was beautiful is the predicate. Now here in this sentence, which is the verb, was is the verb. If the adjective is followed by the verb, here the play was beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective. Beautiful is the adjective. But this adjective, this word is किसके बाद लगाया है हमने, किसके बाद यूज़ किया है? We have placed it after the verb. So और ये predicate part में आता है, subject part में नहीं है, predicate part में. So you can say it is predicative adjective. This beautiful is predicative adjective. Understood, children? I gave you one more example. Gandhidham. When I explained you adjective, I gave you this example before. So once again, I'll explain in this same sentence. Gandhidham is a large city. So now here, which is a subject and which is a predicate, children? Yes, Gandhidham is the subject. We are talking about Gandhidham. So Gandhidham is the subject. And where is the verb? Is. As we don't have a main verb, helping verb will become the main verb. Is a large city is a predicate. Now which is the adjective here? Large is the adjective. So this large is in subject part or predicate part? Predicate part. So again it will be predicative adjective. So children, just keep 3 points in your mind. First thing, you have to find out which is subject and what is predicate. Second, you have to see the adjective. Then you have to find out which is the adjective. Third one is you have to see whether the adjective is used before the noun or after the verb. Is that clear? If the adjective is placed or used before the noun and is in the subject part, it will be attributive adjective. If the adjective is used after the verb or followed with the verb and is in the predicate part, it will be predicative adjective. Children, your homework for today is you have to write the definition of adjective. You will write the definition of adjective and attributive and predicative adjective. With one example, with an okay, then you have to copy down exercise 1 in your textbook. You have to write exercise 1 in your textbook. I will be sending the PDF. So from the PDF you can copy it down. So all of you, bye children. Take care of your health. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Bye.